Thutha wa gicanjama kiria kirari kuo githurano-ini kia mwamurano gia kiama kia Jubilee, riu kiama giki ni kiugite mitaratara yake irari miega ona gutuika githurano kiu ni gigucokerwo.
We have advised all county presiding officers, all the presiding officers in the polling stations rather, that as long as a voter is on the line by 5 o'clock, they should be allowed to vote. We don't close at 5 if there are still people online.
Kuringana na mutaratara mweru uria urutitwo ni giikaro kinene kia Jubilee, kaunti ya Marsabit, Turkana na Samburu na Murang'a, githurano gigatafanio wa gatatu.
On Tuesday and Wednesday, we will start the voting process at 7 o'clock and not at 6 o'clock, and that's because we found out that waiting for so many agents of aspirants and so forth, a lot of them are getting late, and we need a critical number to be at the station before you start.
Mucemanio uyu wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ukite thutha wa kamiti nene ya ithurano ya Jubilee guteaniria maumiriro ma githurano kiu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.